Hi, I'm Adam Lohman, Creative Director at Play Creative. Thanks for sitting down with me. Today we're going to be talking about our process that we go through to make, design, develop, and create a lot of the pieces that we produce as a company. We're going to be doing it in two parts, as we've got a lot to go through. So how about we get started? The first piece I'm going to talk about is a piece for a company in town called Castle Ventures. What they do is they help hand fabricate print materials for local printing places here in town. They came to us wanting to create a piece that they could drop off that would show off every capability that they possibly could do for their clients. And so we tried to wrap as many of those things into one concept as we possibly could. As you can see, we have a castle here. And so this was dropped off at their potential clients. It has tons of interactivity and tons of creative elements. And what we did as a team was we sat down, we brainstormed, we came up with copy that made it all very interesting, interactive. For example, in the keep here, it says keep your clients satisfied. So you could take your concepts as far as that when it comes to copy, when it comes to interactivity and interesting things that they can mess around with and play with. As you can see, if you pull the drawbridge, it's all themed around the name of their company called Castle Ventures. So we're just going to kind of go through some of the brainstorming things that we did on this. These are all services that they provide, whether they insert something into that, hand glue all this, put Velcro there, put it all together. There's a handle up here. We came up with all of this stuff just as a team, whether it's copy, concept, helped with the logo. Those were all planned and produced in a brainstorming type environment. And as you can see, the result has been impactful for the longevity of the piece, which our hopes are is it will last for a while. Someone will feel bad about throwing this away. It has to stay on your desk for a while. The second piece I'm going to be talking about is for a local company called Five Nines. They're a technology-based company and asked us to create a dynamic invite to a luncheon they were going to have that educated some of their potential clients on some of the services they provide. We took our team into a brainstorming session and brainstormed all kinds of different directions, whether it was postcards or what could we send them that would have some sort of impact. And something spurred out of that was let's connect over lunch. That was kind of the foundation of this piece. So from there, we built this whole piece around that particular statement. So as you can see, as I open it, we sent a jewelry box, and as I open it, it says let's connect over lunch, and behind it is an Ethernet cable that we spray painted silver by hand and turned it into a fork. So that whole concept is let's connect over lunch, and it's an IT company, and it screamed all of the pertinent information about how edgy and supportive this company could be for that particular type of industry that they sent it to. Here we have all the details, the date, some of the things that they're going to be talking about at the lunch meeting. And so this is a highly creative piece. It had some of the best impact that we ever had with a direct mail piece that we sent out. Nearly some sort of interaction with everybody they sent it to. They followed it up with a phone call, and a lot of success came out of this particular piece. That concludes the first portion of our creative process video. If you like what you saw, check out the second video because we have a lot more to show you. Once again, I'm Adam with Play Creative, the creative director here. Thanks for joining us.